Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, I've missed you. In this video, we are updating the restroom a bit. You're going to learn how to texture and put together a wall cabinet that I got from Target. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Let's get to it. It's DIY with Lauren K. Your tape, paintbrush thing for behind the toilet, a brush for the edges, and your tray. These things right here, minus the paint, was about 20 bucks. Right, so the first thing you want to do is mop the walls clean so that the paint can stick. Tape the edges of the wall, sand down the unevenness, wipe clean with a damp cloth. So we have this all-purpose for these holes that we gotta patch up. It looks like someone tried to put toothpaste up in there. Don't do that. All right, and it's already wet, muddy, ready to go. Okay, so that mud though. This is kind of tough doing it with one hand. How do we texture? I'll show you. We gotta let it dry for half an hour up to 2 hours. And I filled in all the spots, holes on the walls. And now it's textured. Together this cabinet, wall cabinet to store the towels in the restroom that I just painted. So we're laying it out A, F, G, D, E. So we have A, and then F is right here. It's the back. So yeah, I'm just laying out all the parts. Gonna put it together and then put it up on the wall.
Okay, and then we're gonna later what when they are coming back, they come back at night.
But I have to stay afloat. It's nice, be a person you don't want. Can somebody save me of the thing going to do? Where is the life I
another job complete. As always, thanks for watching DIY with Lauren K, and I'll see you in the next video.
Look behind me.